Are you searching for the best cruise vacations to embark on in 2024? Look no further, as we've curated a list of unparalleled experiences that will leave you captivated. Set sail on the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, the world's largest and most extravagant cruise ship. With its immersive entertainment, thrilling water slides, and delectable dining options, this vessel guarantees an unforgettable voyage. For those seeking a more intimate getaway, the Viking Ocean Cruises has you covered. Experience the luxury of their ships adorned with Scandinavian elegance, while exploring breathtaking destinations worldwide. From the stunning fjords of Norway to the vibrant cities of Asia, each journey promises cultural enrichment and unrivaled vistas. If you prefer a truly unique adventure, book your passage on the Galapagos Sea Star journey. This exclusive expedition allows you to explore the remarkable Galapagos Islands while supporting conservation efforts. Snorkel alongside captivating marine life, walk among ancient tortoises, and witness nature in its purest form. To make the most of your cruise vacation, consider creating a viral video showcasing your incredible experiences. Inspiring others to embark on their own journey, capture the essence of the ship, the beauty of the destinations, and the joy of fellow passengers. Remember, your video could be the catalyst for others to plan their dream vacation. Embark on a cruise vacation in 2024 and discover the world's most extraordinary destinations, creating memories to last a lifetime. Whether you choose an extravagant journey or an intimate exploration, these cruise vacations promise the ultimate in adventure and relaxation. Allow yourself to be whisked away on an unforgettable escapade.